Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If today is the very first time that you're stopping by, thank you. And if you haven't done so, please do subscribe to my channel. And to all my OGs, thank you so much for showing me love each and every time I post a video. I'm so grateful. Thank you. So today I'm going to show you how I take care of my brows at home. I do my eyebrows by myself. I do not go to a salon. All right, just a little story. Like, I started doing my eyebrows I think when I was 16. I started because I had a really bushy eyebrows, so I started doing at 16. And at that time it was cool to to have your eyebrows shaved and all that. And I remember one time my mom saying to me, oh, Efia means, I was born on a Friday, so for those of you who are not Ghanaians, Efia is a Friday born. So she was like, oh, Efia, you are so gonna regret it one day, you shaving off all your eyebrows. Now, like, this woman, what does she know? Fast forward 2016, 20, let's say 2017, 18, when eyebrows were so in and everybody had thick eyebrows and everything. I was like, damn, I should have listened to my mom. So if you are a kid watching me, a young adult watching me right now, please do listen to your mom about your eyebrows. I'm sure by now you don't have to shave it. Nah, it's trust me, once you shave everything like I have, it's gonna be a problem a little bit later on. You might regret it, because I do. Now I have regretted doing my eyebrows for so long. And fast forward 2016, I decided I won't go to anyone to do my eyebrows, because when you go to these ladies to do your eyebrows, every time that you're there you get a different shape, because probably you are not seeing the same lady. In my case, I wasn't seeing the same lady. I was seeing different people every time I go, because one minute I will go and they will tell me, oh, the lady who does your eyebrows is not in, do you want to come back later? And you needed to go somewhere, so you just say, oh, can anybody do it? And then they do it. They reshape your brows, and then you see your eyebrows getting thinner and thinner and thinner. So 2016, I decided not to go anywhere to do my eyebrows. I would do it at home. That's when I discovered this cream, this one and this. So this, I got it from Superdrugs. It's so inexpensive. I think it's about £1.99 or £2. Even I probably maybe cheaper than that. Yeah, so one is the sensitive one, this one is the sensitive one, and this is the normal one. So it's a hair cream, removable hair cream. That's what I use to take care of my eyebrows and my ingrow hair. So lady, one of you has a bit of hair like I do, oh, then you know the struggle. When you're doing your makeup and you see that after your makeup you see your little baby hair sticking through right here. To me, I don't like it. But if you do, please by all means keep it. But I don't like it. You're gonna need is your cream right here, your mirror, and then you can either use shea butter or you can use bio oil. I tend to use either shea butter or bio oil. And then you will need a spoolie, and you will need baby wipes. So I'm just gonna take, but the baby wipes is later on, so we'll do the baby wipes later on. With just what I do is I brush my hair like so. I brush it upwards, so I do not do the inner part. I do not do this part. I just do the ingrow right here. That's all I do. And I don't do the top as well, because the top, it doesn't grow at the top. It's just right over here. So what I do is once I brush it all the way down, then the ingrow that is coming, I brush that down. Yeah, do the same for here. I brush that down. Take your cream like so, and then I put it right there, just to make sure you do not go above what your ingrow, because once you go above, you're going to get rid of the actual hairs that you need. So make sure you don't go above that. And that's exactly what I've done. Depending on how your skin is, I leave mine for roughly 2 to 3 minutes and then I take it off. So I do the same for here, my ingrow. Oops, you see, I went over there. Once you go over there, just make sure that you quickly clean it off. If not, you are going to take the hair that you really need, and that is not what we are looking for here. And then I put more there and here. So now you see, so I have the shape that I want. I'm just cleaning the hair that is growing. That's all I'm doing. I'm not doing the top or the inner part. That's it. And then over here, you would think that you don't have hair here, but trust me, hair does grow. Sometimes, you know, you can see the hair is growing just right here. You can see that you have a bit of hair growing. Here you just put the cream, just the remaining cream on top of your nose. And then, guys, sorry, lovelies, I'm going to wait for about 2 to 3 minutes. And when it's done, I'll come show you. Okay, now my 2 minutes is up and I'm going to take it off and show you. So all I do is to start off like so and wipe it. If you see, look at that. That is hair that I do not want on my face. Have you seen it? Then you take it, everything off. So you see? Yeah. Put my hands in my makeup. Okay. And then I take that off as well. Just be gentle with your skin, because at the moment your skin will probably be, see that. So see how it's coming off. See how that's coming off. Then what you go ahead to do is just to brush it in place again, and then you will see the hair that you do not want is just falling off. That is it. I'll take another wipes, and then what do I have in my ew. I'll take another wipes and wipe it like so, clean it. Then see how it's coming off. Easy, really easy. If you can see, and then I take my bio oil, I put a bit on my arms and rub it, because at this moment your skin, if your skin is sensitive, you need to do this. Even if your skin is not sensitive, you still need to do this, because the cream can be a bit harsh on your skin. So for you to, you know, maintain your nice skin and not get rashes, you need to put some oil or shea butter, anything that is good for your skin, just put it on. But at this moment you need to protect your skin. And then I do the same for the top, and I do the same here. And if you see, this one did not really go. I have one hair that is stubborn here. See, I put enough bio oil enough on the so guys, that is it. That's all I do to keep my eyebrows and my ingrow hair on my face nice and tidy. So guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you've learned something. If you haven't done so already, please do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Thank you and take care. Bye.